X, eat your food na. Go out there. Come here. Come here, X. X. Go out. Where are you? Come here. Go out. Eat your food. Eat your food, okay? Here, your food. X. X. Where are you? Where are you, X? Come here. Your food. Come here now. Come here. X. You're not hungry? You're not hungry, X? X? Didma talaga siya. X? How are you today? Wala. Didma gid si Mary. Nakatalikod pa ang bro. Hi, X. Meow. Meow. Eat your food. I'm here to feed you. Yes, X. Come here. You don't want? X, what are you doing? Huh? Eat your food. Travis XXX. Hello. Come out. Come out, X. Yes. Don't scare Mary. Mary is your friend, okay? 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 Sorry for my English because wala ni dirig dito. It's not there anywhere. I know you're so very slang in English, so I think you don't understand my English. No split tayo sa'yo Laging ganun But I'm trying. Trying hard, copycat. Ay, very strict. Wow, nice eyes. I love your eyes. X? Are you okay, X? Grabe yung balahibong X, uy. Eat your food. This. Eat your food. You don't want to eat your food? You want only here? Yes. Okay, later you will eat, okay? I leave your food there because I'm going now. Bye, XX. XX. Bye. Huh? Eat your food now. Huh? Why you don't want to go out and eat your food? Mary going now. I'm leaving. Yes. Eat your food, okay? Okay, X? Okay. What is that? Where are you? What? Where you are there? Mary leaving now. I'm only waiting you for you can eat your food. Eat your food. Good job, X. Eat your food. Don't look at me. No worries about Mary. Mary only here. Good job, XX. Eat all your food, okay? Because your food, you are not eating more. Hopefully you eat more. You eat all of that. All of that you should eat. She's not eating more.